not used to that tarp there. This is something that's been important to both of us. It's a good spot for us because when the seas are rough, we can both be locked in, and the table's holding me, I'm holding her, so we're not rocking too bad. And she's purring right now, so they say a purring cat can lower a person's heart rate. So that's pretty helpful when you get in some rough seas. It's my baby girl. That's my kitty. I love you. So we find ways. She's a trooper. My first mate, Coquita. I guess, aloha. Well, there was a whole bunch of dolphins. Oh, here we go. They're all around the boat. You guys? They're everywhere. There's dozens of them. Hi guys. They're welcoming me to Maui. On the other side of the boat too. Look at them flopping their tails. What they're doing. As far back as you can see. I don't know if you can see them below the water there, but they're just right underneath the boat. They're everywhere. There must be a couple hundred of them. I don't know why on this boat. Wow. This is the largest pod I've ever been the center of. I've been the center of some big pods, but this is huge. Watch it ride the wave in. try to watch for some big waves. Wow, this is crazy. I've seen a lot of dolphins offshore in my time. But nothing like this, man. Holy cow. They're still everywhere behind the boat, in front of the boat. They just keep coming and coming and coming. I don't know, you know, I was watching a movie and I thought I'd just turn it off and come outside and see how things were. And just boom, there they were. Let me get a different view. Whoa, not that one. There's my Ono drying there. Oh boy, here comes a big wave. There's a bunch riding it. Wow. Wow. Here comes a big wave. Oh, it just died. Oh yeah! Get some! I shut the camera off like 25 minutes ago and this pod is still swimming by me. It's gotta be tens of thousands. It's gotta be. Alright, hello guys. It is, I'm about 250 miles from the Hawaiian Islands. Woo! I've started to fish again. I ran out of the fresh Ono. I had to throw over about 15 to 20 fillets that got moldy, unfortunately, but I ate a lot of Ono, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The only meal I haven't had that wasn't straight Ono in the last 3 days was some cereal. I wanted something fruity or sweet. So I had some generic Captain Crunch. Hey, so the jerky turned out great. Here it is. Here's the Ono jerky. So I got about, I don't know, I've already been eating on it all day today, but that's a lot. It's a lot of meat right inside there. And this was cooked in just a little bit of salt water, and then it was just salt water. and then sun-dried for 3 days. So you can see it's hard, it's firm, and it's jerky. So that'll be preserved. I can eat that for weeks, you know, and it'll still be okay. So I'll be munching on that for the next few days. Oh, just in time. So we're close to the Hawaiian Islands, and I should be sailing west towards that sunset. But instead I took a southerly route for about a day and a half, 2 days here. Because then I'm going to tack straight into Hawaii, and I think it's going to be a straight run then with winds normally out of the northeast. So that'll take me right into the islands with ease. Hopefully. Not a bad little sunset. Oh, green flash. You see it? Is it? I tell you, it's just been absolutely gorgeous the last 5 days. I don't want to jinx it, man, but I feel like as soon as we crossed into the tropics, it just crossed 25 degrees north, down to 24. I feel like the humidity came back in the air, and the sun came out, and skies and the sea are blue again, and just the air is warm. Alright guys, 250 miles off of the Hawaiian Islands, almost home. About 270 miles from Maui, right off the bow there. Just a gorgeous sunny day today. The wind is astern, so we're doing a little wing and wing, but we're not going to do this for long. It just sucks with the flopping sails. Probably have to drop the main again and just fly the Genoa a little bit. It's just the wind astern. Wing and wing's a way to go, but it just is noisy, man. And when you're on autopilot and you're not on a hand tiller, it's harder to maintain the wing and wing. Autopilot doesn't correct fast enough to keep it open without doing this. Flop, 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 flop. Anyway, I got the line back out because we've got no more Ono left except for the Ono that we preserved. So I have a lot of, still got a good portion of that Ono jerky left. It's great. Been munching on that. It's been, this is the 4th day after I caught that Ono, I think. 4th day. So, it's pretty cool that he's still sustaining me. I just had some Ono jerky a little while ago, 4 days later, you know, without refrigeration. I'm having to give myself small doses of sun at a time because right now I'm at 22 degrees north latitude, and I've been at, 32 degrees north latitude for, in San Diego for a while. So the sun's a lot more powerful here. I've already got sunburn on day one, and the sun really popped out like this. I got some full body sun tanning going on. My thighs are fried. It's awesome. It's awesome. Absolutely beautiful. Almost home. 3 days from now I should be on a beach in Maui. Knock on some wood. Can't count your chickens before they hatch out here, man. 270 miles in the open ocean, anything can happen. Alright, looks like we had a wind shift here. My wing and wing just slapped over. And the preventer, you can see the preventer right there holding it. Holding it right there. You see how loose the Traveler's gotten. So I'm going to have to untie that preventer right there to let the boom run free again. Let's see what's going on. Oh, there it went back again. That's why we won't be wing too much longer. It's just annoying. Aloha!